Ever wondered, what is networking and why is it important? Well, let's dive in. Networking is a practice that's all about connecting. Imagine a web of computers, servers, and other hardware, all linked together. They're not just sitting there though. They're sharing resources, exchanging information, and communicating. It's like a bustling city of data exchange, and each piece of hardware is a building in that city. Networking isn't just important, it's essential. It's the catalyst that makes this all possible. So networking forms the backbone of modern communication. Scene script. Dive into the basics of networking. Let's start with the hardware. These are the physical devices that play a crucial role in the network. Routers, for instance, are like the postmasters of the network. They decide where to send data packets, enabling communication between different networks. Switches, on the other hand, are the traffic controllers within a single network, directing data packets to the right devices. And then we have servers, the heavy lifters, storing and providing data when requested. But hardware alone can't create a network. They need a set of rules to communicate effectively. These rules, or protocols, define how data is formatted, addressed, transmitted, received, and acknowledged. Some of you might be familiar with TCP/IP, which is the basic communication language or protocol of the internet. Speaking of addresses, let's talk about IP addresses. Every device connected to a network has an IP address. Just like your house address helps the postman deliver your mail, an IP address helps routers and switches deliver data packets to the right device. In a nutshell, a network is a well-orchestrated symphony of hardware, protocols, and IP addresses. Each component has a role to play. The hardware provides the stage and the instruments. The protocols serve as the sheet music, guiding how the instruments play together. And the IP addresses provide the seating chart, ensuring each note reaches the right place at the right time. Now you've grasped the basic elements that make up a network. There's more than one type of network, you know. Let's start with the local area network, or LAN. This is a network that connects devices in a relatively small area, like a home, office, or school. It's perfect for sharing resources like files, printers, or games. Next up, we got the wide area network, or WAN. This type of network spans a larger geographic area, often connecting multiple LANs. The internet, a network of networks, is a prime example of a WAN. It enables communication and data exchange across long distances. Last but not least, there's the personal area network, or PAN. This is a network for devices used by a single person, often within a range of 10 meters. Think Bluetooth devices, smartphones, or personal laptops. Each of these networks has a specific purpose and is used in different scenarios. Different network types cater to different needs, so it's not one size fits all. Why should you care about networking? That's a question that begs to be answered, isn't it? Well, networking is like the bloodline of almost every industry today. It's about creating a web of connections for sharing resources, improving communication, and backing up data. Imagine you're working on a major project, and your computer crashes. Catastrophe, right? Not if you've got a network in place. Your data can be backed up and recovered from another system. Isn't that a relief? And let's not forget about resource sharing. With a network, you can access hardware or software resources from any connected device. It's like having your own little library of tools that's always open, always available. Moreover, improved communication is a key advantage. Networking allows for swift and efficient exchange of information, making collaboration smoother and easier. In the realm of IT, networking is the backbone, but its importance extends beyond. Networking isn't just for IT professionals, it's a necessity for almost every industry. So what did we learn about networking today? We delved into the basics, understanding that networking is the practice of linking two or more computing devices together for the purpose of sharing data. It's a concept that forms the backbone of our modern digital world. We also explored the various types of networks, from local area networks that connect devices in a small, specific area like a home or office, to wide area networks that span across cities, countries, or even the globe. Each type of network has its unique applications, benefits, and challenges, and we cannot overlook the importance of networking. It has revolutionized how we communicate, learn, work, and even play. From sending an email to a colleague to streaming our favorite shows, networking plays an integral role in our daily lives. Next time you use your computer or smartphone, remember the networks that make it all possible.